caved. I caved. Hey guys, it's Danielle. So Lily-Jade had a 7-day sale going on where they every day they had a bag on sale for 24 hours, and on top of the bag being on sale, they also had free packing cases. So I have been eyeing the packing cases but couldn't bring myself to purchasing them because they were $55. Had been eyeing another bag but couldn't convince myself to buy it, and then Lord and behold, they had this flash sale. And I knew that the bag that I wanted was going to go on sale on Tuesday, and so I had like 3 days to like think about it and talk about the pros and cons in my head on why should I get it, why should I not, I already have a Lily-Jade, I don't need another one, all those things. And I caved like Tuesday at like 9:58. Literally, because the sale ended at 10 o'clock and I literally at like 9:58 caved. So I got my boxes today and I figured I would open them up and do an unboxing. So I am going to open the cases first. Y'all, I mean, Lily-Jade is so addicting. It is insane. Who would have thought? And I just don't know why. I don't understand. So, here's all the paper. My little receipts, and the packing cases come in a dust bag too. Oh my gosh. So that's what they look like. I actually thought that the packing cases were just gonna be tossed in the bag. Who knew? This is why I love Lily-Jade. This is why. So look at that. They have their own little dusting bag as well. So cute. Oh my gosh. There they are in the jade color. So right off the top, these packing cases are huge. They are so big compared to the Jujube B set. I can see now why they are $55. Actually might be worth it. Look at that. Look at the little gold. I love them. So you get 3 sizes. I can't even get it out of here. This thing is so like well put together. They're not leather, but they still came in a dusting bag. They're like nylon. That's what they are. So this is the smallest one, and look how big the smallest one is. This is the medium one, and this is the large one. These things are so big. I am like amazed at how big this is. I love it. I love it. Definitely worth it. I was trying to decide between this color and the red, and now that I see like how big they are, I might order the red too. I'm not gonna order the red. I'm not gonna do it. So here are the packing cases. I can't wait to pack these up and try them out and compare them. Right now I've been using primarily Jujube as my packing cases. I ordered a Logan and Lenora packing case, or a diaper clutch rather, and I've been using that one a little bit. So I am really excited to try out my Lily-Jade packing cases. Alrighty, now for the bag itself. I really wanted the Lorie, and I wanted Lorie in blush, but she was not on sale, so I withheld myself and I just got Lorie in camel, because I honestly didn't know if I would even carry the blush. I just really like it and like the color, and so I was thinking I just like it. I don't even think I would carry it. I just want to look at it. But I knew I would carry the camel, and again, it was on sale. So I just like the Lorie. I wanted a tote. It's not a diaper bag, it's a lifestyle bag, but it can be used as a diaper bag, but then it can also be used as a work bag, or a purse, or computer bag, or whatever. So I really wanted the Lorie bag. All right, and she is just sitting right on top. And like all the Lily-Jade bags, and even the packing cases, comes in a little dusting bag. I can't wait to see it. It is so cute. Look at that. It's a lot cuter in person. I was worried that the camel was gonna be too close to the Brandy. I have Megan and Brandy, so I was concerned that they were gonna be too close in color, but this is much lighter in person. Much lighter. So cute. Alrighty, I'm not gonna take off all my plastic because I just don't take it off yet. So the front of the Lorie has the little magnetic closure, which I really like. I realized how much I like the magnetic closure when I was carrying the Itsy Ritsy, and that their front pockets are magnetic, so I'm excited to have magnetic and no buttons. I talked about on my Megan how the little tongue on the button started to like stick up constantly from me opening and closing it, and it was driving me insane. So not having that on this makes me so excited. Look how, I mean, almost my whole arm can fit in that front pocket. On the back is this zipper. It's not very deep. I was hoping it was deeper. It's just about right here. I was hoping that it was a little bit deeper because I was thinking I could keep my laptop back here, but I don't think it's gonna fit. But that's okay. I can keep my wallet and other things back there. I love it. Now for the inside. Let's take all the paper out. And it is just one big open space. Look at that. Look how big that is. It is huge. I love big bags. I just do. I'm not a tiny purse kind of girl. I love it. And it just has a little, so it has on the front, it has a little pocket here and a little pocket here, and then it has a zipper, which is very similar to the inside of the Megan. So the same kind of concept. But again, I love how this opens up just so wide like that. It is, I mean, look how wide that opens. That makes me so happy. I feel like it's gonna be so easy to use and to carry. Oh, the little tongue part for the zipper is tucked right down in there, so you have to pull that out. There we go. So you can close your zipper. And of course the gold hardware is beautiful. Lily-Jades are just beautiful. They're just beautiful, beautiful bags. You really cannot argue the beauty of these bags. So yes, this is my Lorie. Please welcome her to our family. We're so excited to have her. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you soon.